Dr. Kenji. Mucho gusto. I'm here to help, okay? If you want to be here, we'll help you stay. If you want to go, you can go. Feel that interferencia right there. That was a lot of swelling still in here.
Yeah. We didn't put the one back, so it's just the brain in there.
Oh, they took this whole piece
Yeah,
out, right? I thought it was just right here.
No, it's the whole thing
Okay,
there.
so the whole skull is removed
Yeah.
on this right side. Okay.
Mhm.
Let's see where the edge is. Yeah.
Until he was talking about that.
Still got the occiput left, so that's good. That's where I can push on it.
Now it's too long.
Okay, there we go. Okay, buddy. I'm gonna open that atlas, okay, man? Let me in, please. Respira. There you go, buddy. There you go. Woke you up a little bit, huh? Oh, see his eyes open up on that. Oh shit.
But it seems like he's breathing too. I don't know, like he's calming down.
Alright. You come. You push my arm down. Should I adjust this C2? Okay. Okay, like up. Okay. Should I leave C2? Push down. Okay, so adjust it. Okay.
Oh, because how your hand is resisting?
We got one more subject. Keep pressure off the brain. Okay. This is your side that was traumatized. So we're gonna open up this hand. Respira. Breathe. Respira profundo, buddy. There you go. Now, set the inteligencia innata. Do what it needs to do. Here, bud. That's all I can do there. All right.